know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong.
Salam, bertemu kembali teman-teman bersama saya di channel Agus L72. Semoga kalian semua saya temui dalam keadaan sehat, dimurahkan rezekinya, dan sukses dalam segala hal. Seperti biasa, saat malam hari adalah saat yang paling sering saya gunakan untuk mengerjakan bahan-bahan bonsai. Dan saat ini saya akan menunjukkan kepada kalian kegiatan wiring dan merapikan bahan-bahan bonsai Santigi. Yang saya tunjukkan kepada kalian adalah mengerjakan satu bahan bonsai dari beberapa yang telah saya kerjakan. Bagaimana kegiatan saya kali ini? Silakan simak dan saksikan video ini sampai selesai.
Convenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you.
Saya hanya melakukan sedikit wiring, mengarahkan percabangannya agar bahan bonsai Santigi ini terarah dan mudah untuk dirapikan.
Why you never said you felt that way? Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Nah, seperti ini hasil kegiatan saya malam ini, dan saya akan tunjukkan kepada kalian ada beberapa yang saya telah kerjakan. Santigi ini bermula dari bibitan yang mulai saya program 6 bulan yang lalu. Dan seperti yang kalian lihat keadaannya seperti sekarang ini. Dan sudah pernah dibudidaya dengan cara cangkok yang pernah saya buatkan videonya beberapa bulan yang lalu.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
Jadi semangat budidaya selalu menjadi prioritas saya untuk memotivasi kita semua para pemula, sehingga ketersediaan bahan bonsai untuk kita belajar akan selalu ada, dan hasilnya nantinya akan kita nikmati.
As you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. day. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt.
Demikian video ini, semoga terhibur dan bermanfaat untuk kalian semua. Sampai bertemu kembali di kesempatan-kesempatan yang lain. Salam.
To watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.